in every episode. Real life moments, nothing to hide. Oh, be family, love by your side. Oh, be family lifestyle. Come and see, where every day feels warm and free. Daily content, family content, vibes so pure and excellent. Oh, be family lifestyle. Oh, be family. Capture moments that make life sweet. Family love steady on repeat. From little lessons to home-cooked meals, every emotion is something you feel. We grow together, step by step. Memories made that we won't forget. Smiles, surprises, fun everywhere. Oh, be